Hello everyone, welcome in Piano Investing Club channel. As each Friday I try to give a summary and my vision about the last week, and I hope you will join the club, Piano Investing Club. Don't forget, if you want to start in the market and open a portfolio and join us, www.pianoinvestingclub, or you can contact me directly. No worries on my chat, right? Everyone, this week was marked by NVIDIA earnings. Remember that at the beginning of August, the stock opened at $92 during the Black Monday session, August 5, 2024, and closed this Friday as $119, 40%, none of that. That is more than 1 trillion of market cap, unprecedented since the existence of the stock exchange. What happened? I remind for those who were on holidays, this Black Monday, after 2 days of sales, NVIDIA had already lost 1 trillion of valuation. 3 days, lost 30% between Wednesday, July 21, closing at $121 for fear of an American recession coupled with a crisis in Japan. Listen to my video from the beginning of August for more details. So for the 2 weeks, the great department that will guide the world and the markets, those are the figures of NVIDIA, and we were served. Today, it's NVIDIA that leads the dance of the world of artificial intelligence. NVIDIA made $30 billion of sales last quarter, end of July. 122% more than last year. The EPS, earning per ratio, $0.68 per share. It means 152% more than last year. And the board decided to an additional $50 billion to buy back stock on NVIDIA for 2025. For the outlook side, NVIDIA said, okay, let's do $32.5 billion of sales. My God. And for sure, with this kind of number, the market was a little bit surprised. They sold the news as usual. They lost 2% the first day, but trust me, it's amazing news because for you, the value of $120, it's just fantastic when you think about. Jensen Huang, for those who don't know him yet, is in artificial intelligence what Steve Jobs was with Apple and Bill Gates with Microsoft. His charisma, coupled with an incredible humility, has convinced all the big tech companies, Google, Amazon, Meta, all the players, including Tesla and Dell, that now he is the boss of this new Eldorado. It means AI. He invites himself of the round table of OpenAI Friday on the base valuation of 100 billion announced Friday morning. Those who are in my club, Piano Investing Club, and followed me when I bought NVIDIA, including my average price of $41 at purchase. So today, they made 3 times, like me, and I can tell you they are very happy. So it's not too late to buy NVIDIA. We'll talk about that later, but it's not too late to join the club, Piano Investing Club. I'm sure you will be so happy to buy NVIDIA in beginning of November, like my members of the club. I have been looking at this company, NVIDIA, for 6 years. It had made headlines in the world of video games, but also among miners in cryptocurrency. As you know, I invested in cryptocurrency around 2015. After reading the earnings for the first quarter 2023 and the second quarter 2023, I made my decision to sell Qualcomm and NVIDIA titles to reinforce, to enter and created a line on NVIDIA. What I did, and I finished dealing beginning of November 2024. So I did well. because now for the last 5 quarters, figures are just fantastic. NVIDIA is not, for this reason, anything than amazing company and not a bubble at all. And its volatility is not nothing to do with the quality of the company. And it's not the crisis like internet crisis, early 2000. Markets are often held by computers, and this summer's its talk has perfectly illustrated it. Good for the stock pickers who bought back, like me, NVIDIA titles for $90. My reasoning is quite simple. I've never seen a business in all the big players in the tech, of which I am also a shareholder, or obliged to buy NVIDIA, build the necessary infrastructures and offer new services and AI services to their customers. According to the president of AMD, it's not whether NVIDIA will remain the leader, but the question is how much market share its competitors can take in the coming years. The figure of $400 billion in infrastructure spending in 2025 and $1 trillion maybe on the horizon, 2030, would explode the value of the title NVIDIA. Imagine the world with artificial intelligence. Think about the savings, think about the productivity gain in all the sectors of the industry. Do you really think all the stars of the AI, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Apple, they invested more than $40 billion in infrastructure the last quarter for any reason? Be serious. These guys are not stupid. So I had announced in my club in January 2023, the market will be driven by the AI values. I didn't know how much I was right. I have always thought that the quality of the leader and the founder of the company always make a difference. NVIDIA represents today approximately 10% of my portfolio and will continue to represent them. I have had to sell some of my titles since November reluctantly. So yes, it will always be time to buy NVIDIA. On the other hand, as I advise for club members, do not buy once. Take advantage of sales moments like Monday, August 5, when you can buy this magnificent company for $92. This is to say 40% below its current price. Be smart, be patient, take advantage of the next bags to buy, and of course, build a wallet with NVIDIA in your portfolio. It may be the first company to hold the 10 trillion in the stock market valuation within 2030. I'm launching the bet. In the meantime, have a wonderful week for the 4 days of the market, because Monday is off. Take advantage of your weekend to rest, and we will talk again on Friday for new adventures. It was Piana Investing Club channel. See you soon, everybody.